tonight we're trying a breadfruit. So we were told to just throw it on the ashes, basically. There were trees everywhere on the island, full of these soccer ball sized breadfruits.
I don't know what I'm doing, but turn the breadfruit. Okay, the breadfruit. Try this side, maybe. It's still hot.
Smoking.
Okay, see why it's got the consistency of bread.
Does it taste like bread?
Pretty much, it tastes like dough.
Oh yeah.
Tastes like a raw dough. You're supposed to be able to turn it into like sort of the consistency of mashed potatoes or something, or it's kind of too
Stringy?
stringy or pasty for that.
I'm
But
sure
maybe
it's good with butter.
we'll try.